Hello everyone, my name is Liliana. Welcome back to this channel, and today I will show you step by step how to make this multi-purpose bag. How do you mean, Liliana, multi-purpose bag? So you can reuse it, you can wash it, and girl, believe me, you will rock in the supermarket with this multi-purpose bag. Believe me. For start, give me your thumbs up to help this channel grow, and subscribe the channel, turn the bell on so you can be notified for all the new videos on the channel. Are you ready to rock it? Let's go! We are going to need 2 pieces of fabric measuring 23 per 33. This fabric is like this. 2 pieces measuring 11 and a little bit bigger than this fabric, around 25-26 centimeters. 2 of them. Some decorative bias tape, and a piece of fabric measuring 56 per 4 centimeters, and that's all. First of all, we are going to measure 10 centimeters from the top. Here. And now we are going to put our fabric front with front on the mark we done here. And now we are going to print and now we are going to sew with 1 centimeter the seam allowance. Now we are going to turn, and you are going to top stitch here. So now you're going to do the same thing in this side. Now you are going to trim off all of it. I'm going to pin to make sure the fabric stays where they belong. Now we are going to apply our decorative bias here. Okay, so now right side with our right side. Don't forget, it's very important to match here. Now we are going to sew all around, but we are going to leave this part open. Now you are going to trim off. So now you are going to apply the bias. Now you are going to open it, and you're going to just to give some volume to our piece. So you're just going to 2 centimeters here, and you're going to do a straight and you can cut it. Same thing on this side. You can cut it. Now on one of the seams we are going to put front with the front, so you are going to open the bag front with the front, and you will fold a little bit like this, and then you are going to do a seam with the same allowance all over the bag. In the end, you are going to do the same thing. You are going to fold and you are going to sew. Now you're going to turn it down. You are going to top stitch here all the way around. So now you are going to fold like a bias, and you are going to stop stitch right here. Almost done. Now with the bias, let's fold our bias. We are going to cross it over. Our multi-purpose bag is now done. As you can see, it was done very quick. I normally use it for vegetables. Tell me on the comments below, what do you normally use it for? Don't forget to subscribe the channel, because we will rock every week. Turn the bell on so you can be notified for the next video. See ya!